Grand Rising family. With beautiful tears in my eyes, I come to you this morning, this rising, whether it's a morning or a rising. Just make sure that you are present in all that you are. This is a message for my generational curse breakers, my DNA repair workers, my grid workers, my inner grid workers. Y'all, this is not for the weak. This is for the angels that came here to inscript and write new earth. You might think, how can I, even though we have source within us, guiding us, and our ancestors and angels guiding us on like what to do, like it's never been done before. It's never been done in your lineage before. But it stops with you. I'm sorry, I'm just gonna cry collectively to move this energy. It stops with you. And you might think like, it's such a big task. How could I ever do this? Because it's many different curses. It's not just like one thing. It's many different things. It's the ancestors wanting to be atoned too. It's your bloodline wanting to be atoned. But I just have, my only advice right now about this is we just have to do it one step at a time. One choice at a time. One time doing something different than the previous generation. And not being upset with the previous generation. Having compassion and understanding. And then loving yourself, and if you have children, loving them enough to say, it stops with me. So even if that means, just saying sorry, or just saying, just making a little tweak, a little turn. The little tweaks and the little turn over time makes a difference. It's like a ripple, okay? So don't let low vibrational energies try to tell you like, oh, that you're not doing it. Because every day that you wake up, every mindset shift that you have, this is part of the structure of the new earth that we're creating. So don't stop, keep going. And understand how much value that you bring. So much value that you're anchoring in. All right? And don't compare yourself. Don't compare yourself with other people, with other generational curse breakers. Everybody is on this unique journey, with a unique template. And every generation that comes, there's got to be someone that stands up. There's got to be someone that stands up. So in this lifetime, if it's not you, then who? And through you, may all the generations that come after you be blessed.